Welcome back to Canter Blocks. Today I'm going to show you, I'm going to revert 12 and go to revert 13. And so guys, I'm going to collect all of my money and here. And revert ready. And 3, 2, 1 and 0. 1 billion. And now I need tripper. For that, okay. Now let's go in public server and go. Now let me see how it is. Literally, let's take the lock. Okay, let me see if I...
Sammini Spiderini.
Oh my god, bro. It literally works for people.
Sammini Spiderini.
Bro. Leave Sam. Okay. Oh my god. Now I got it. Yes, sir. Let's go. Oh my god. Now, let's go. Bye bye guys, and don't forget to subscribe and like to Canter Blocks. Bye bye.